Hi guys, hi everyone. Hello everyone who love coffee. As you can see guys, I'm making coffee. Guys, who loves coffee? I love coffee lover. As you can see guys, I have a Nescafe Gold Espresso, Taster Choice House Blend, Taster Choice French Rose, Taster Choice House Blend, and Taster Choice French Rose. I like French Rose. Okay guys, whoever loves coffee, as you can see, I love coffee either. Yeah, I put there so it's easy for me to get once I want the coffee. Like as you can see, charan. And guys, I'm waiting for my coffee. Coffee. Guys, because I love pink, my coffee maker is pink, color pink. Okay, I'm the only one who loves coffee because my husband doesn't like coffee. Only me, he only likes in the morning, but me, morning, lunchtime, evening, before going to sleep. Coffee lover. Nagpa-blanch siya pagka nag-relate siya. Guys, mga kape. Happy Monday everyone. It's Monday. It's Monday here. That's my coffee. Coffee every day. Coffee is life. Okay, my coffee is done. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Have a blessed Monday.